This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kathy Underwood. Spacious renovated home that is great for first-time home buyers or anyone looking to downsize. Open floor plan with a fully remodeled kitchen. Roof replaced and energy-efficient windows installed within the last 5 years. Water heater was replaced in 2020. Don't forget to check out the detached garage and workshop with an unfinished room above that has so many possibilities. Double driveway, spacious fenced backyard and a trex deck that makes entertaining easy. Relax on the recently added front porch. Restaurants, mall 5 minutes away and much more. Easy commute to military bases. For more information, review the details below.